Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. My name is Sonali. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about two different techniques of crochet. One is yarn over and another one is yarn under. Okay, so if you see these two pieces, do you find any difference? No, right? So apparently if we see, we will not find any difference between yarn over and yarn under, but yes, there are differences if we look closely. Okay, so let's first understand what yarn over is and what yarn under is, like how to do yarn over and how to do yarn under. Okay, then we will discuss about the differences. So let's start. Alright, so I have used same yarn, 4-ply yarn I have used for both the pieces, and I have used the same hook, that is 2.5 mm crochet hook for both the pieces. Okay, and I have used single crochet stitch. Alright, and the pattern is also same, like I have made a magic ring, then 6 single crochet, then 12 single crochet, then 18 single crochet for both the pieces. Okay, and for both the pieces so far the stitch count is 30. Alright, now first I will show you how to make yarn over technique. Alright, so I will make a single crochet using yarn over technique. So insert the crochet hook into your stitch. Now put the yarn over to your crochet hook this way. Alright, so your yarn is over to your crochet hook and your hook is underneath your yarn. Now pull through. Now again put the yarn over to your crochet hook this way. Alright, so your yarn is over to your crochet hook and your hook is underneath. Now pull through. Alright, so this way we made a single crochet stitch using yarn over technique. And if you see, for yarn over technique, the stitch, like each of the single crochet stitches having V shape. Now I will show you the yarn under technique. So I will make single crochet using yarn under technique. So insert the crochet hook. Now put the yarn under your crochet hook this way. Okay, so your hook is over to your yarn. Alright, now pull the yarn. Again put the yarn under to your crochet hook. Alright, and pull through. I will show you again. Insert the hook, put the yarn under to your crochet hook and pull through. Again put the yarn under to your crochet hook and pull through. So for yarn under technique, if you see, the stitches are in X shape. Okay, so in yarn over technique we had the stitches in V shape, and yarn under technique we have the stitches in X shape. Alright, now if you see, the one for which I have used yarn under technique is a bit bigger in size than the one for which I have used yarn under technique. Alright, so it means yarn under technique is more compact than the yarn over, and it takes lesser amount of yarn than the yarn over technique. Alright, and if you look closely, for yarn under techniques we have some holes in between the stitches. Okay, so that's why for amigurumi project I prefer to use yarn under technique, because here the holes are not there and the stuffing doesn't see through, unlike the yarn over technique. Okay, so sometimes for yarn over technique the stuffing see through. Okay, but for yarn under this doesn't happen. So that's why I prefer to use yarn under technique whenever I make any amigurumi project. Okay, so this is completely my opinion, but your opinion may vary from mine, so that's completely all right. So that's all for yarn over and yarn under technique. So thank you for watching.